Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to download free music in 10 seconds. I know it's very fast. All links are in the description so you can download the program. The program that you downloaded is named the Pirate app, and you need a fast internet connection to download really fast. This is the Pirate app. You see it's really normal. It's not a good layout, but you can download music. You can search all music. You have most music here. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna share Lil Wayne. When you search, you click on enter and you wait. You see, you get here songs, Our Mirror. Then click on download. And you see, it's downloading. And now it's clear. And it says automatic to place. I have set the directory for downloads to music, which can ask where you want to save, but I have a standard place where I want to save that. And I'm going to show you that it not only is with one song. Here you see it's going really fast, and I'm going to show you it's virus free. The link are in the description so you can download it fully for free. You see, I know my Windows Media Player isn't here. You have the music. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and have fun with downloading. Bye.